None of us can forget when intensive care units were full. There were concerns that there weren't enough ventilators available, and refrigerator trucks were brought to hospitals to handle the increasing number of deaths. A number of places in the country now are facing similar conditions. But here in New York City,
bring the vaccination effort to the grassroots, and we've seen a big impact.
The impact is the word you see in green in the very latest city statistics, decreasing rates of infection, number of cases, and hospitalizations.
We've re-implemented indoor masking at most places, and now you can't even get into any indoor area, whether it be restaurant, theater, what have you, without showing your proof of vaccination. So I think all of those measures are really helping New York.
A doctor who treats respiratory illnesses, including COVID, says we're doing the right thing overall, but acknowledges there's more work to do, especially in specific communities. In Breezy Point, Queens, the rate is nearly 16%. It's more than 10 in Tottenville and approaching 8% in Annandale, both in Staten Island. In Hamilton and Howard Beach and Arvern and Broad Channel, all in Queens, rates are in the mid 7% range. Around Gravesend, Brooklyn, it's almost 7%. Would you just prefer there be no restrictions?
Yes.
That's one resident's opinion. The statistics are running counter to that. Mary Burrows also lives here and says,
Talk to the lady. She asked me months ago about taking the shot. I told her it was good. I asked her this morning. She said she never took it. And eventually we might have to shut down everything again. That's what I'm afraid of. And I'm afraid for the kids going to school.
But the doctor who treats COVID patients says that continuing the efforts underway now can help lower infections even in the hardest hit areas.
Continue doing the right thing, but still have caution.
Now, generally, neighborhoods that have the high COVID rates also have among the lowest rates of vaccination, with one glaring exception. Number one, Breezy Point in Queens. It actually has a nearly 90% vaccination rate, but it has by far the lowest rate of COVID testing. So among the very few people there who are getting COVID tested, a significant percentage are testing positive.